Watch as 4 welding torches work simultaneously on all 4 corners of the angle iron. This machine is compatible with galvanized steel, carbon steel, and stainless steel. It supports angle iron sizes 30 hash, 40 hash, and 50 hash, capable of welding various angle iron specifications. The welder automatically adjusts its position based on the material size. Once you input the angle iron parameters, the system automatically locates and sets the welding positions. Operation is simple and user-friendly. Just enter the values on the control panel, and the system takes over fully automatically. No manual teaching or programming required. Its control system is high-speed and stable, supporting multiple programming languages for flexible control. With 4 welding stations working at the same time, the efficiency is greatly improved, achieving a welding speed of up to 12 seconds per piece. Frequently used parameters can be saved and modified, allowing instant recall for repeated use. Subscribe to me to learn more about manufacturing equipment.